everybody. Welcome back to our cooking show with the 3 secret ingredients. This is my mom, Ruthie. I'm Anita, and this is my daughter, Courtney. And today is a special day because today is my dad's 85th birthday.
Happy birthday, Dad!
And we're going to celebrate by having all of his favorite things. And we're going to make a drink called the Bahama Mama.
Oh, but everybody knows me as Mama, and I'm one of his favorite things, so we're going to call it the Bahama Mama.
And I don't like that.
So to make the Bahama Mama drink, it takes 6 ingredients. The first is going to be regular rum, and it's 2.5 fluid ounces.
All right.
Courtney's going to measure. And then for the next ingredient, we're going to have another 2.5 fluid ounces, but this time with coconut rum.
All right. Ooh, it smells really good. Look at all that alcohol. All right, so what's next?
Next, we're going to do 2.5 fluid ounces of Grenadine.
All right.
There you go.
Grenadine makes everything taste good. All right, what's next?
We're going to have 5 fluid ounces of orange juice.
Wow.
Here goes the orange juice. And by the way, this is making 5 drinks. We've got 5 people here. That's what we're going to be drinking. Now we're going to do another 5 fluid ounces of pineapple juice. So let's see here. Ready, Court?
Yes. All right.
And then we're going to finish off with 5 cups of crushed ice. And we're going to blend it up.
So now we're going to go ahead and blend it until it's slushy. So now it looks like it's pretty slushy and ready to go. So she's going to start making some drinks. Well, I'm going to go ahead and slice this orange to make a little decoration for our cups. Make it look nice and tropical. We can feel like we're on vacation. Because who doesn't want to be in the Bahamas right now, right? All right. Looking good, Mom.
Thank you. I got out the 5th cup here.
Well, I want this one.
Okay, Mom.
Thank you.
All right, so our drinks are looking pretty fancy, but the last step is to put a nice, beautiful tropical umbrella. And I think the last one goes, okay, well, I don't know where that's gonna go, so there you go.
And I think we're ready for the birthday boy to try his Bahama Mama. Here you go, Dad.
Looks wonderful. Tastes delicious.
Yay!
All right, guys, do you think it's time we try
I
it?
think it's our turn.
I think she's had a bit already. All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, that tastes really good. It makes me feel like I'm on a beach in the Bahamas.
It makes me remember the Bahamas. I don't think I remember the Bahamas.
Okay.
So we hope you enjoyed our cooking show today. We hope you enjoy the Bahama Mama as much as we did. It's perfect for a hot summer day.
It is. And if you liked our show, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll have much more fun content for you.
Courtney, who's back? Courtney, who's back?
I don't know. Who's back?
It's your back!
I think Mama's going to like and subscribe.